Kalispera σας. Good evening, guten Abend, dobre večer, and shalom. Very warm welcome to all of you in the ancient land of Crete.
Give it up, give it up.
This is not a traditional cretan wedding. We didn't want to take that approach, and instead we single-handedly picked the people that we feel special in our lives, and the only way we can do something to reciprocate is hopefully give you a joyous journey over the next 3 days.
Do you feel the love tonight?
Мои любимые дети, у вас сейчас есть семья, а семья – это армия, которая всегда защитит и никогда не предаст.
Friendship is just another word for love, and love is completely and utterly unconditional. And together, you have all played a part to bring together this special moment for this couple who have truly shown one and all what friendship and love is.